Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice exponential equation? Solution from here. And what we have here, a factor 3 raised to power x here. That is, we have 3 raised to power x into brackets 1 plus 1 plus 1 left here. Excuse me, equals to 20 on this side. That is here. I have 3 raised to power x times 1 plus 1 plus 1. That's 3 equals to 20 from here. The next step, we divide both sides by 3 here. Divide this side by 3. Also, divide this side by 3. That is here, 3 cancelled each other here. We have 3 raised to power x equals to 20 over 3. The next step here, take the log on both sides. That is here we have log 3 raised to power x equals to log 20 over 3 here. The next step here, we apply the power law of logarithm. When we have log m raised to power p is same thing as p log m. This here we have x log 3 equals to log 20 over 3. Then from here we apply the law of logarithm. When we have log a over b, this same thing as log a minus log b. That is, here we have x log 3 equals to log 20 minus log 3. This from here, divide both sides by log 3. Divide this side by log 3. Also, divide this side by log 3. Which implies a log 3 cancelled each other here. And we have x equals to, can separate this into two fractions. We have log 20 over log 3 minus log 3 over log 3. Then here we have log 3 cancelled each other, one left here, which implies x equals to log 20 over log 3 minus 1. And from here, we can write 20 as 4 times 5, which implies here we have x equals to log 4 times 5 over log 3 minus 1. And this also follows the law of logarithm. When we have log a times b, which is the same thing as log a plus log b. That is, here we have x equals to log 4 plus log 5 over log 3 minus 1. Then here we separate this into two fractions. We have x equals to log 4 over log 3 plus log 5 over log 3 minus 1. Then here we can write 4 as 2 times 2, the same thing as 2 squared. That is, here we have x equals to log 2 squared over log 3 plus log 5 over log 3 minus 1. We apply the power law of logarithm here. 2 comes here and we have x equals to 2 log 2 over log 3 plus log 5 over log 3 minus 1. Then here we apply a change of base. When we have log a over log b, this is the same thing as log a to base b. This here we have x equals to 2 log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3 minus 1. This we have the value of x here in this problem. Then let's check if it satisfies this given problem. This will substitute the value of x here, which is x equals to 2 log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3 minus 1. Then what we have here becomes 3 raised to power 2 log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3 minus 1 plus also 3 raised to power 2 log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3 minus 1 also plus 3 raised to power 2 log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3 minus 1 is it equals to 20 on this side. Then here follows when we have same thing together 3 times, that is a plus a plus a. And write this as 3 times a. And also here what we have becomes 3 times 3 raised to power 2 log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3 minus 1 is it equals to 20 on this side. And here this follows the law of indices. When we have a raised to power n plus n, this same thing as a raised to power n times a raised to power n. And also a raised to power n minus n, same thing as a raised to power n over a raised to power n. Then here we have 3 times 3 raised to power 2 log 2 base 3 times 3 raised to power log 5 base 3 then over 3 raised to power 1 is it equals to 20 on this side. Then next step here, this becomes 3 times 3 raised to power, we divide this 2 off from power log, we have log 2 squared which is 4 base 3 times 3 raised to power log 5 base 3 then over 3 raised to power 1 which is 3 is it equals to 20 on this side. This here 3 cancelled each other here. What we have becomes 3 raised to power log 4 base 3 times 3 raised to power log 5 base 3 is it equals to 20 on this side. Now this here, we apply the law of logarithm when we have log a raised to power log b to base a, rather is same thing as b. Now this here we have 4 times 5 is it equals to 20 on this side. And 4 times 5 of course that's 20 which is equals to 20 from here. Left hand side equals to the right hand side. That is, therefore we conclude that x equals to 2 log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3 minus 1 satisfy this given problem. And thank you for watching. Don't forget this step, subscribe for more videos and turn notification bell on. Share this video, give it a thumbs up and put your comments. See you next class and bye for now.